decided we have paid the price of patience, and we are up.
Yeah, with interest fees. Good morning, good evening. So, what do you have going on right now? I see you are short gold, right?
I am short gold from 45.37. Gold is at 45.25. We had a little technical error where I meant to go heavier on my short, but it did not fill my order. Something weird happened. And I'm going to close this now because, hold up, this is,
order filled.
I feel like we're coming back to the 9 EMA for the first touch. And I can get back in with the right size because this will be the first touch. I don't know if I should trust it or if this is going to be a, you know what? We are rejecting the pre-market. I mean, the last session's, rejecting the last session's high. So I would presume we're going to the last session's low, right? That would make sense.
That would make sense, yes.
So if that's the case, then if we can come back to the 9 EMA, I would short it and hold with a decent amount of size this time, and I just built a nice little buffer.
Okay, so
And
you
hopefully
took
that
profits, or what did you do? Yeah,
Yep, I took profits. I took some profits. So let me increase my lot size.
Okay, and on the screen you
So
have
this is,
short setup and you have setup for a long.
yep, short setup here. And yeah, I had to take profit in place. Oh, that's a limit. Okay, yeah, let's market limit. Okay. So we're gonna do a 3 lot, which is kind of like a 3 contract size for gold. Let's do that. And I would want to get in at the 9 EMA, which is pretty high up here. 45.34. Let's put 45.33 for now. We're going to put a limit order in right there. And it's still tanking, so I did not have to exit that trade, but all right, let's see. Eventually it's going to come take a breather. So the guy who does this strategy, he's a scalper. He does not go for trades that last, an hour or two like I do.
Yeah.
So his strategy is actually it's a lot. He's only trying to capture maybe a third of the range that I do. When I saw that, I was like, well, if I use it with what I know and put my little spin on it, then I should be able to make more per trade than him. He doesn't make a lot per trade.
Yeah, but it's scalping. If the setup shows up frequently, then I guess he's able to make smaller amount of money more times.
Yeah.
More times in a day.
More times in a day. And he also copy trades across usually about 4 accounts at once. So, I mean, he said he made $6,000 because he went heavy. So he uses his live accounts. Or I don't know what he uses because I'm trying to figure out what broker would let you go with that many contracts. Yeah, he must be doing like 150K accounts doing 6. He uses like 6 ES contracts or 6 NASDAQ contracts.
Yeah, that's probably 150K. Because 50K usually gives you 5 or even 3. Actually, I know Top Step gives you on the challenge. They give you like 5 contracts, and then when you get funded, you can go on only 2 or 20 micros.
Hmm.
That tricked me because I got used to trading with, let's say, 25 minis, 25 micros, or
Mm-hmm.
30, 35 micros. And I would get funded, and all of a sudden my P&L would be much, much smaller because of the size. Um,
Yeah, you can't
and
do what
then
you're used
yeah,
to doing.
and then all of a sudden I wasn't chasing the move, but I was chasing the P&L numbers, which was a mistake, right? So um, yeah,
Yeah, that's relatable. Because I mean, that's how you passed it, right? So it's like,
exactly. Yeah, and they say you shouldn't change anything, but obviously I had to adapt.
had to adjust a little.
Yeah, and then in that case, it's better to have two, three, four, five accounts and just go for whatever two, 300 bucks because on 150 you have to make 150 to be green on a day officially. So
Mhm.
you make 300 on five accounts, that's 1500 a day. That's not bad. And anyway, if you're chasing the payout, you have to know what is your payout limit, right? What is
Mm-hmm.
the max payout? So I don't think it makes sense to make much more than that limit. Um, the top step had, for example, 5k 5k payout limit per week. They now reduced it to
Oh,
two,
yeah.
but let's say it's five. So and you are able to get only 50% of what you make. So why would you make more than 10k? Okay, maybe 11, 12k.
50%?
Yeah, you're
You
able.
can only get
No,
50%?
no, you don't get 50%. But if you make 10k in a week, that week, after you, um, so you have to have 5 trading days, right? 5 green days,
Yeah.
and
Right.
you can take only 50% of the profits you make.
Oh, okay, okay.
And from that
Yeah,
50%,
they
I
have the
guess you are
buffer.
getting 90% or even 100 for first two payouts or something like that. And
Okay.
but
So not
even
too
if
bad.
you're able, so let's say you made 10k, you're able to withdraw five. You don't want to take all five.
Mm-hmm.
You want to take three and a half k. So you still have a buffer,
Hmm.
and then you just continue trading. You are again up to 10k, and you can take five. But now they reduced it to 2k on 50 and 100k accounts, and on 150k accounts, the limit is still 5k. So you per the
Interesting.
account. Yeah. But even look, even if you have several accounts and you make 2k, so it's I guess it's easier to reach that because 4k is I think more reasonable to make than 10k, and you get to take 2k payouts. Let's say 1500. If you have three accounts, that's already a nice amount per week. I mean,
Hmm.
it would be a very nice monthly salary.
Very
Very
nice.
nice, very nice. Shout out to Robert. To Robert.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah.
Come and get this liquidity price action. It is not happening right now.
Liquidity is the weak.
Yeah, but this kind of is good because it lets me know if price does get to my entry, then I should be confident because price is struggling to get there. So it's like,
Mm-hmm.
oh, you know what? I'm on the 15 minute.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's the problem. We're probably coming to the 5 minute 9 EMA. Yes, we are. And look, we came right to the 5 minute 9 EMA. It's gonna take much longer to get to the 15 minute 9 EMA.
Yeah,
Fudge.
and you could have actually left your TP at 45.10.
Yeah, yeah, we're still
Mm-hmm.
going there. Hmm.
I'm looking at the ES. I
But
have this zone here marked like I think since Monday. A bunch of value
mhm,
area highs, lows like between 74.60, 74.50. And we actually
mhm,
rejected it on Monday. We rejected it Wednesday, so yesterday, um, two times. And now we came back up again, and it seems like we are rejected. And I believe
Mm.
so. But SPY actually reclaimed at 748 yesterday, so that's interesting. It's gonna be interesting market open. With Nvidia earnings yesterday, we had a dump. Now we are pumping back up. So if we open right here, it's nothing burger. But let's see what happens here because ES. This is definitely a big resistance zone. We have this is monthly. This is not monthly. This is this range. Volume profile here. We have failure high here that needs to be reclaimed. If we want to go higher, then we have value area high of the downtrend from Thursday the 14th of May all the way down to Tuesday the 19th. So yeah, this zone that I said is basically a zone between two value area highs. And if we want to get higher, we have to reclaim this on the other side. So that's resistance scenario, so sort of bearish scenario. If we are rejecting here, then we might come down again. All the last few days we are doing higher highs, higher lows, so I guess we flipped the market structure to bullish again. But NQ also on 12 hours gave very nice tight trigger wave on market cipher B, which would indicate, and if you
Mm.
just take a look at Q on 12 hours, it looks like I don't know, flag or whatever that it's ready to run like crazy. I'm talking about this trigger wave here. This is just this is just a very bullish sign in my opinion. So yeah, let's see what end of the week brings. Oh, and I should adjust this Asia highs and lows. These are not from today. London law got taken yesterday. That's from yesterday, but I will remove this because London is not even open yet. And then today I guess this will be the Asia. No, okay. This will be, this is the Asia law.
Man, come on. This is weird.
Oh,
Price action.
and funny, bro. NQ yesterday, so New York high rejected perfectly from the London high and the low.
Did it really?
Yeah, according to this Lux Algo sessions indicator that marks the sessions. So London, New York opened, came down, swept the lows like by the tick, like
Mm.
came up. So that was still the London high. Then we had a pullback, and on the afternoon move up, we rejected perfectly from the London high. And then immediately dropped the earnings and we had a drop. But yeah, interesting. And right now we swept those highs from yesterday, both London and New York, and we are sort of rejecting. But that could be just temporary. And we are right now at 15-minute 14 SMA on MQ.
Mm.
But
Like right now we are?
right now 15-minute 14 SMA right now. But 5 minute lost it.
Interesting.
So let's see. I guess it will be a battle between 15 and 5. If we check the 30, we might actually come down maybe to 30 minute 14 SMA because we broke out and that will be the first touch. And actually the SMA is curving nicely to the upside, but we might come down to touch that and then go.
Yeah, price is like really fighting to get back to the 9 EMA here, but it seems like every time the price gets up there, sellers absorb the buying pressure and push it back down. So this is a good case for sellers, but I don't know if they're like getting weak because I'm not looking at volume or anything. I probably need to add a few more indicators because I can't see volume there. Can't see the MACD, um, but it looks good. I want to do an aggressive entry here, but I don't want to go full size.
Full port.
Let's do like a yeah, right. I'm tempted. I am very tempted just to go in, but these candles can't turn green to save their life. Crazy. And their life is at stake. Come on, just a little bit more. Higher. Higher. Come on. Gosh, darn it. Like, what's happening right now? I don't know what kind of auction is going on, or
Yeah, it's
if there's
moving,
like some
right?
news going on in Asian. Yeah, it's weird. The buyers are really stopping it from going down, but the sellers are stopping it from going up. We're like really stuck like Chuck right now. So I'm gonna.
Order filled.
All right. So I have my aggressive entry.
Oh no, we have nothing actually right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I got my aggressive entry. I got my limit order.
Now we
I
have
would like
Australian
to.
unemployment employment change, but that was tweeted like 4 hours ago. So that's
Mm, be right back.
I have actually no news this week, nothing at all. So, and what do we have for next week? Bank holiday on Monday. Also, market's closing Monday.
Okay. Do I have some water down here? Get some water. Okay. So, huh. All right. So price held up and still did not go to my freaking entry that I wanted. It's crazy. Yeah, the 9 EMA is escaping me.
Closing.
But okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. 45.10 is still the target, and that gives me 15 points on this trade if we make it there. Okay. Play a little shooting game. See, 26%. I don't know what it is about my tablets dying so fast. I don't know if like maybe streaming kills them faster
Oh,
or what.
maybe you're sharing the screen, huh?
Yeah, maybe a little. Maybe that helped. I don't know. All these colorful trading bars don't do it justice. Let me zoom out because I don't see everything I want to see on this. Okay, good. That's the value area high right there. Previous day's high. It doesn't look like we're going to retest it. We're just like going sideways until we go down.
Mm.
My stop is right at the 15-minute 9 EMA. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. How much profit do I have? I mean, I might move my stop to break even soon.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, right now, first place in this contest has 100,000, 180,000, which it's a lot, but it's not like impossible. If I just catch like $1,000 trades and steadily grow the account,
Mm.
I feel like I can definitely. It's only like 900 people in this contest, so
Okay.
top five places get a prize.
Like the accounts or actual like money price? What's the
Both. Both. So you get a $500 cash prize for first place, and you get an account.
quote? Okay.
Um, Let me see. It's not anything amazing like before. But yeah, here are the prizes. First place, 500 cash, 200K instant funded. You get an instant funded account though.
Oh,
All
okay.
right? That's almost like money. And then second place, 350 cash and 100K instant funded. All right? Third place, 250 cash and 100K one step challenge. Whatever that means. I have to look at their challenges. Fourth place, 150 cash and 50K two step challenge. And then fifth place is the same thing, but with a 25K two step challenge.
Mm.
So first place, let's see. Let's see what fifth place is at. Fifth place, 18 trades. Average hold time is 25 seconds. Profit percentage is 34%.
Win rate.
Win rate is 4.
Look at this win
Yeah,
rate, bro.
it's not amazing, right? I'm not that impressed.
But
Let me look
40%. I
at.
mean, that's the thing. Win rate and risk to reward, right? When they say with only 35% win rate, you can be profitable. Yeah, it's true, but can you do better? Yeah, definitely.
A second place has a
Ah,
34% win rate.
shit. And what's can you see the main profit
Yeah, the
percent?
balance. It showed the balances before. I think I'm on a different page where it shows the balances. Or is it because I'm sideways? Um, let's look at the leaderboard. The leaderboard. Okay, yeah. So they are up. Okay, yeah. So their balance is 184,000 in first place. Third place is 138. Fifth place is 134,000, which is not that. That's not that bad.
Mm,
That means 34K. I need to make 34K on this account.
okay, let's go.
Yeah, right. It's not the end of the. Oh, great, great, great. So now it just wicked me in to my full trade, which is what I want. This is good news. This is good news. Um, I'm only risking 800 though, so if it comes and touches the 9 EMA, no bueno. I will get stopped out. But also that would be the 14 EMA. Okay, good. Good, 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 good. So I feel like my stop is in just the right place. Things we're making a bear flag right here, so it's good. Always when you start talking and not paying attention, the price goes where you don't want it to go.
Yep. 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 Happens quite often, right?
Hmm.
But at the same time, if your setup is right and you enter, sometimes it's better to just walk away
Yeah.
and wait for TP or surplus.
Yeah. Yeah. If we can get to 45.10, this will be a hell of a trade. And if I can't be emotionless on an account that's free, then it's going to be tough to be emotionless on my funded. So this is great practice.
Hmm.
And then also watching that video with the guys, it did make me realize that the like one of the major differences between, challenge accounts and funded accounts is gonna be that you
Order
get
filled.
fucking shit.
What?
All right. Okay.
Order filled.
Yeah, it just went straight to my stop just now.
Oh, oh.
Okay, 15
But that
minutes.
was a big position. But,
Yeah, I'm down 800 now.
yeah, you were up too. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, let's go. My new entry is going to be here. I'm going to do 3 lots and risk the same. We're going to do it this time at the 9 EMA. And if I am wrong, it's going to hurt. But if I'm right, redemption will be mine. Okay, so we're talking 45.31 on a sell, and it is coming in hot. Let's go. Okay, and we can put the stop right there at 8, which is perfect. Take profit is going to be at 45.10. All right, so I'm risking 800 to make 6,000. Yeah, I
Sounds
like that.
good.
I like that a lot.
Sounds good. Sounds like a nice RR, no?
Yeah, 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 yeah. I just got to be patient for it to get to my entry.
Mm.
And that's the tough part. That is the tough part. Because it went straight to the 5 minute 14 EMA. Now it's trying to, buyers are stacking up there. Hmm. But I'm saying if it can get to the 15-minute 9, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with this. Am I okay with this? I think I'm okay with this. Yep. Of course it goes right after it stops me out. I'm feeling the FOMO.
Okay. This might be more than this might be and besides the 15 minutes one,
Yeah, I'm trying to get in at the 15-minute 9 EMA, but the 5 minute 14 SMA, it just went above that.
so
And now it's behaving as if it wants to react from that kind of trade. When's the 15-minute close? Pretty soon. Okay, let me look at that. Three minutes to the 15-minute close. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Okay, it's pushing. Mm. So also the guy was saying that he only targets halfway through the value area, right? So
Okay.
yeah, that would kind of be my target.
But
The
what do you mean?
45.10.
What do you mean halfway through the value area?
So previous session high, previous session low, halfway through the middle.
Okay.
He only targets the middle, which is, I think you recall, it's equilibrium too, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's halfway.
Yep, yep.
Oh, but that
So I'm
makes sense,
targeting
yeah,
a little
because
bit
you
above that.
cannot guarantee that it will go from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top.
Right. A game about digging a hole. It's hilarious. Games, 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 games. Where's Fallout, bro? It's crazy. All right, here it goes. Wick me in. I need to bring this down a little, don't I? Don't I? Should I let it just come straight to the nine? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Here we go. It's wicking me in. I'm in. And it is pushing. So it's starting to look very bullish. I need a change of character. Okay, we touched the 15-minute 14. Jeez. You can stop now. You've done enough. You've done enough. You hit my entry. That's all you needed to do. Now, if we could trap all these new buyers and just instantly go below that lowest candle, that would make my day. Be a good downtrend.
Don't trend. Ah,
Okay, these buyers are aggressive. We are about to hit my next stop and almost there. But my stop is strategically placed, so it's not that easy. Try again. I was sweating bullets, but should I stop panicking? Are we going to be okay? Or is my panic justified? We will see. He's coming for me. Nope, they can't make it. Okay, could do the shark game. Luna, here we go. Jeez, three green candles back to back to back. On the 15, no rejection. We're only 3 minutes in. What will you
Let's see.
do?
I see this is that kind of a. It's finding it. Let me check it. DC.
Order filled.
There it is. All right. It looks like we have a change of character.
This is pushing. But it still might come down. Depends. This is that kind of a trumpet pattern, right? Where, if you take the trend line of the highs and the trend line of the lows, it's been respected now several times. It seems like we're going back high. If we now pull back soon and start bouncing from the, let's say, half of this current candle, or actually at the bottom of the current candle, we might break out and go higher. But if we come down again and then start coming back up and then reject from the middle of that same pattern, then we're gonna come down. So therefore this is a sort of a no trade zone, but I think it's setting up for a move.
It seems like a flag. On the hourly, it looks like it's a flag, like a bear flag, that'll take me to my profit target.
Oh, and what did you say for NQ? NQ came down to 14 SMA perfectly on 30 minutes, just wicked it, and it seems like it's pushing. Like perfect, like you cannot see my screen, right? But if I share it, everything might collapse. But yeah, yeah, just check the NQ.
No, I see though. I'm looking at NQ, and yeah, it's following the uptrend structure perfectly.
Check the 30 minutes.
Let's look at the 30. Okay. Two. Bam.
Perfect victory.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah.
Called it live on the stream in advance.
Called it live on the stream. You got it here first with.
Chat. Chat. Drop W for the. No, bro, I can't.
Right. If you're in on Nicholas's signal, you are up. That's a 75 pointer right there. The 14 SMA was a 75 pointer right there.
Already?
Yeah, bro.
Let's not go from the bottom of the week, but just 70, bro. Nice. See,
yeah, that's my normal trade size right there.
When I don't go in a trade. Yeah, actually, see, this is
how you know it's gonna be a good
because
one.
we had a setup at 75 move, boom, with your position size that would have been 4,500, right?
Yep. Yeah, so that right there was my daily goal.
Okay. You traded your fund today already or not yet?
Yeah, I did I did. I just had to, get enough. Just had to get enough on there to count as a trade, and I already did one trade, so I still need one more trading day until it's funded.
Okay, so tomorrow. And you made sure that you just need a trading day. You don't need to make like 150 or something that it's calculated as a trading day.
Let me double check. Let's see. Take profit. Da, 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 da. Good old take profits.
Let me remove that from the stream. Okay. But yeah, I'm happy. I entered bunch of, bunch. I entered yesterday some calls. So
Hmm.
I would like that we continue pushing today, tomorrow.
Yeah, and options I've been doing pretty well. I just took one trade.
Yeah,
It's one trade.
perfect.
My trade hit. That was it.
Perfect. That's how it should
Yeah,
be.
so take profit. My take profit. I have reached my profit target. Um,
Whoa, what's going on here?
traded 3 days.
Oh,
What's going on, man?
good morning. Good
Mm,
evening.
I got you guys, man.
Yeah,
Good
well, we're
morning.
here
Good
just
morning.
checking stuff out. Yeah,
History.
bro.
Carlito, welcome to our YouTube stream, bro. Now you're gonna be famous.
Oh yeah, let's
Yeah,
go.
shout out to our brother Carlito.
That's right. The red E is in the building.
Yeah,
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 bro.
man.
So
what up, bro?
back
Just
to
here
trade.
for a good time, not a long time, man. What are you guys trading?
I just took 2 L's back to back on gold. And
What? Oh man.
yeah, gold was not trying to let me be great. I had like a bearish bias and it kind of bit me in the behind. So
Hmm.
now we're just kind of I'm looking at Nasdaq and it's moving a little bit cleaner. And I might take another trade on Nasdaq because this is not like my funded account or anything. This is just a contest account. We're going over the leaderboard. First place has grown their account to $184,000, whereas fifth place has grown their account to 134,000. So I would like to at least target 10th place for starters, which means I just need. Oh wow, they lost, right? They started with a 25K account. Okay, okay. So, all right, I want to target 10th place, which means I need to grow my account by 17%. I need $118,000 to get there, and I'm at 99. I was up 1K, but now I am down.
And this is your how much funded account?
No, this is a contest account. I'm
Oh,
already done trading my fundage for the day. I passed my evals. I just need a couple more trading days. After I trade for 5 days, I'll have 150K funded and a 50K funded.
what platform is this? Take
Take
profit.
profit? Yeah, take profit.
Yeah,
I stopped. I stopped using take profit because of what you told me. Remember
Que lo
that?
que?
And I've been using lucid trading,
Lucid, yeah,
whatever
yeah.
it is.
Lucid.
They're not
Lucid
bad.
trade.
I
Yeah,
tried them. I tried
Yeah,
them
Mark was
this
using
way. Yeah,
Lucid.
it's not bad.
yeah. My brother's been using that for like the past. He's taking 5 payouts from them. It says it's fast.
Bro, where is your man? He's been paying himself out like it sounds like we need some take some advice from him, bro.
Yeah, exactly. I sent them so I caught the lows on MNQ today.
Nice.
Uh, because I went 10 minute and then it was right at the 200 and 800 when it was coming down. That big super, that very last candle on MNQ before the uptrend. It hit the 200 and the 800 EMA. So I took a long from there, and then I sent it to him. I'm like, and I sent it to him. What do you think? And he replied a little late, and he with a screenshot of him up 1,200 already on his funded, man. I'm like, man,
Hmm, hmm.
and I took some gains because I didn't trust my. I don't know, man. I just don't have the patience, and I just took like 200 and something, and I closed it, and then, man, that thing ended up running so hard. But yeah, man, he uses this strategy that all that liquidity thing that I told you guys,
You say he's younger,
liquidity.
right? He's what, 18?
And he's 18, man. I
Bro, but
started
that's
showing him
it.
how to trade.
That's it. You know, young, wild, and free. You know, okay. I said if only
Yeah,
I was. No, never mind. When I was
I know.
16,
That's what I tell
17,
him.
there was no thing that could have stopped me, right? And if I had like just a little bit more like brain then, oh my god, we wouldn't be talking right now.
Mhm. Yeah,
Oh no, but
man. That's
yeah, but
what
good,
I tell
good
myself.
for him, bro.
Man, I wish somebody would have got me into or mentioned anything about a stock market when I was in high school, man.
Yeah, I
I
agree.
would have been
Yeah,
dead.
yeah.
But yeah, if he keeps it up, man, I tell him, man, you're gonna be like those people you see on freaking Instagram and all that,
And it's
with their
gonna
nice
be no,
cars.
no, no. It's gonna be like all those people that you don't see on Instagram. You know.
Man, yeah, I
That's
guess
that's
I don't see
this
them, so I
Instagram things. Yeah,
don't.
that's okay, but you have to know they probably make money trading that. I think their main business is his social media, bro. If I'm making
Right.
500K a week or whatever money, like why do I need to have a social media account and do all of the extra work? And okay, if it's, I don't know if it's actually funny to have a videographer following you and filming your like vlogs and you know and day routines, day in the life of a trader. Yeah, okay, bro. Who cares? You make money. Go enjoy, right? Do something. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know.
Yeah,
I might be
yeah,
wrong
but
though. I
yeah,
don't
I'm
know.
thinking though, like if we swept the previous day's highs on NQ and we're starting to come down.
Yeah, see.
So I don't know if this is
hey,
just a it could just be a pullback. Yeah.
Yeah.
let me tell you guys one trade that I took just like a little while ago on MEQ, caught shorts, and I was right, but again, my patience does not allow me to be great, like you say, Donovan.
Welcome to the price of
um,
patience.
so
Yeah, right.
that's always been a struggle for me, man. I'm very impatient. But whatever so I'm looking at the 2 minute right now. We broke a fair value gap. I just see some fast videos on this guy, and he says, okay, we swept the highs, we inversed the fair value gap, uh, and then he targets like the lows now,
Hmm.
and then I and man, and it just I was up like $100, and then nothing, and I ended up taking a game for $10. And a minute, literally after it went that I don't know if you guys saw that nice drop on MQ.
Yeah.
Boom, it just left. I'm like, man.
Yeah, he just left the trade,
So
and that was actually the
and
bounce then
I
from the 30 and 14. So maybe we were just talking about it because we called it like I don't know an hour
Hmm.
ago. Uh, Not an
Yeah, Nick
hour
called
ago,
it. He was like, "Yeah,
less
it
because
right at the 14 SMA."
we're
And
not even live for an hour. But yeah, but
you
what you're saying, I've had so many trades like that, and that was your first trade of the day, second, fifth, 15th.
no, this was probably I mean an after Asia session or where after market close. This is probably my third trade. I only took that one trade that I told you that I caught in a.
Mm.
I'm up 400. Just little 400 for the day on ever since Asia, and then see that was third trade, and that's it. I'm done for the I'm done. I'm done for the. I was gonna go to sleep, and then I was checking real quick, the discourse, and then I looked, I saw the Zoom thing, and I just hopped in here, man.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I'm about to go to
Sunday to Friday, midnight, midnight PST.
sleep.
yeah, I'm waiting on a clean setup, but this looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, Nasdaq shorts look good right now. Like we swept it. It's the same thing that happened on gold. It's a look above and fail outside of yesterday's range.
I think
So
it's gonna come back down to that to where wicked earlier.
Yeah,
yeah,
think
yeah,
so.
that seems about right.
Yeah, but more worried now. Now as we know in another ES, bro, ES again, like same. Wait, do am I sharing? No, I'm not sharing with you guys my screen. Let me try to
I
share it
found this
with
pretty
you.
cool indicator. It shows you the weekly highs and like. previous. I saw from this features trader. He's eh, just in case you guys want to try it out. It's called Spaceman. I mean,
Spaceman.
key levels by Spaceman.
Spaceman, yeah,
Key level.
I heard it,
It's pretty-
I heard it.
it's just yeah,
Yeah,
you could do. You
I'm
know how
sharing the screen right now, right, on Discord, but yeah, this is not working. Spaceman, let me see
you
how.
guys both sharing your screen.
Yeah, right now, yeah. But yes, I have this. I don't know if you're watching or not, but I have this zone here. These are two value areas. Value area high of the downtrend that we had, of this pullback that we made, and this is the value area high of the month at the moment, this lower one. And this is right now we came like one, two, three, fourth time to the same zone and we are rejecting. It seems with some bear dips because we have a lower high on the momentum waves with the price making same equal high. So I don't want it, but this
What is
doesn't look super bullish anymore, at least for now. Bigger time frames, I think will look quite.
what is that red line you got, Nick?
Sorry, what?
Nicholas.
Yeah, you're cutting out a bit, Nick.
Ah, okay, perfect. Wait.
When he shares, he can't share very well.
Oh, okay.
Because I hear you. Stop watching, no, stop watching, but.
I was asking what that red line you had there was. Oh
14.
wow, he's gone.
Yeah, no,
We lost him.
Oh,
yeah, no, that was a 14
I just
SMA,
hit
14 SMA. So not EMA, but moving
14
average,
SM.
simple one. And it's working, bro. 5
Oh,
and 15 minutes, even 30. But 5 and 15, if you see like a breakout from somewhere and you see that we moved away from the 14 SMA on the first touch, you are going long. Or if you lost it to the downside and on the first touch you're going short, and it plays quite good.
As long as you're in a trending market.
Yeah.
If you're in a market that's ranging, then you have to try a different strategy. So when the market's ranging, I like to play patterns. But when the market's trending, I use the 9 and the 14.
When it's ranging,
And they're pretty dependable.
you buy high and sell low.
Yeah. Buy high and sell low. Yeah.
uh, both SMAs.
uh,
Yeah. The 9 EMA is what you like to go. So, like right now, for example, on my screen, you'll see that, like, on NQ, the 9 EMA turned red. And on this platform, that means it's bearish, right? So, the 9 EMA is where you would go short. And then the first time it touches it, you'd go short. Eventually, it'll retrace and it'll come back. But the next time, instead of it going to the 9 EMA, it'll go to the 14 and then it'll continue.
Whoa, what was that?
Yeah, what is that? I
what
don't
is
know.
what?
It's going to the 14.
I mean, I'm looking
NQ.
at your, but I just seen it like all of a sudden I was
Yeah, NQ just had a nice little spike.
Yeah, but look at the 30
Nice
minutes.
little spike.
That's the still. So that's something that I have to keep saying to myself. If I'm looking 30 minutes and 15 minutes for like a zone to go in a trade, and then I go in based on 5 minutes, and then this happens. We had a nice move up, then a red candle. Now we are going up. Like what's going on? But if we switch back to 30 minutes, that's still the same setup playing out. And usually, I just said that it looks a little bit more bearish, but that's again something that tricks me. I start looking at the setup like every few minutes, right? But I saw a setup, I saw the zone, I entered the trade, set your stop loss and take profit, and you don't have to look at it, right? If it's a day trade, if it's a scalp, I don't know, like because how many? Like six candles, six 5 minute candles in one 30 minute candle, right? So if you keep looking at
Hmm.
5 minutes, your bias can change like 5 times. If you're looking at 1 minute,
Yeah,
it can change 20 times, right? But if you just look at 15 and 30, you want to be cool.
a little bit of drugs.
And what this guy said, like he's entering the 5 minute structure, right? So he's entering the trade based on 5 minute time frame, but his stop loss is based on a 15 minutes time frame.
Hmm.
So his stop loss is wider, so he adjusts his position size, but he's not stressed. And then if he gets stopped, he's completely fine because he knows that he was really wrong, and that's you know fair, no problem.
If you're looking at the sometimes there's conflicting evidence on the time frames, and
Yeah,
it's usually a no-go zone. I like when the 5 and the 15 are aligned. Those are when I make my best trades.
yeah.
But right now, NQ did a nice size pullback. So if we can kind of look below yesterday's range and then pop out, I feel good about longs again. Like we're just gonna go to all-time highs overnight. I think after Nvidia earnings, the market's just gonna settle. We might go sideways for a while, and then I think it's new all-time highs from here.
All right. So that indicator that I told you guys about,
Yeah, yeah.
um, what we hit earlier, that high of the session, it
Hmm.
was it's marked here as on this indicator as Monday high, but it couldn't close it. It couldn't close above that line, so it wicked it 4 times on the 10 minute,
Hmm.
and every single time it closed right on the line, or one of them was right below the lines, and then from there it rejected. So it couldn't close above that, and that's where we had that rejection. So that's what it's pretty. This little thing, this little indicator, I just got it today. It's pretty cool. It's cool. Just I have trouble. Well, I don't have trouble, but I mean, I don't really have time to go back and mark all
Kind of
these.
like finding the confluences and stuff. Huh?
Yeah, it does help. Yeah.
What did you I forget what I was going to ask you. Can't even remember now. Brain's
I
not brain.
I do have a question for you guys. You guys taken you guys took payouts already off this prop firms or what?
No, I haven't taken any yet.
No, like never at all.
Like
Never,
never
never.
ever.
I've probably gotten like, I've probably gotten like 4 or 5 funded accounts and blown them all. So this is my first time passing a 150K and a 50K at the same time, and I have a new strategy that I've never used before. And yeah, I'm gonna just give it a try. My whole rule with my fundeds now is if I lose 2 trades, I just walk away for the day. So
That's something, yeah, that's something. No, I did not pay out myself. No, and I got funded a little bit more times than four, but I kept blowing them, which is ridiculous. Um,
Still haven't got a payout either.
no, bro, I would blow the account always.
Damn,
And
crazy. Yeah, that's
yeah,
yeah, but
that,
wish me luck because my strategy works. It's only gonna take me 2 days.
yeah, just
mm-hmm.
don't,
Yeah.
just
Right.
don't change anything now. Keep
I
using
tell
the
you what,
same
man.
tool.
I have yet to even pass a eval.
Yeah, but that's good, bro.
I
I
mean,
Yeah.
mean,
it's
that's good because
it's not like I don't put too much effort into it because in the morning I just, well, whatever I can trade, during work, I focus on options. So I don't really pay too much attention to
mm,
futures at the New York session. And when I do on like Asia, today was pretty cool, but then like yesterday, or I remember this whole other week. It's been pretty sucky, man, in AJ session, and well,
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't know. I got funded
yes.
so many times, but I would blow it. And we discussed earlier. One of the factors, one of the reasons was because Topstep, for example, gives you 5 contracts to go in or 50 micros on a fund on a evaluation, right? And then you get funded, and they change the size max to two contracts or 20. So at that point, I was chasing the same P&L, right? The same profit, but I needed much bigger move, and then I would just blow the account more or less the next day, which is
Boom.
ridiculous.
What do you go for, Nicholas? Like 50Ks or
Yeah, mostly 50
accounts?
k, mostly 50 k. I took two 150s, but I managed. I think I passed even one. No, I did not pass 150. I don't think so. But 150, I mean 50k. I made 1500 fairly easily. If of course depends on the mindset, but on 150 you have to make 9k, so that's 4500 in a day. I did that too, but it took me much more like it took like I don't know. I felt exhausted after that. And with evils, I want to pass them, as soon as possible. So
Hmm.
I don't know. Just want to
I just
maybe.
want to pass one.
But you're paying the
I
monthly
just want to get funded.
subscription, or how or you had no with Lucid is one-time payment, right? You just have to make profits.
Yeah, but did you just? My brother said he ever since he passed. Well, he blew his funded. So he took a payout for like 4K the first time. The
Right.
very first payout was 4K because he had two accounts, so he had maximum payout on both.
Yes.
So he took. I mean, well, in Rally 36, 200 for them on each account, so
Yeah,
400, and
that's
then
fine.
he took three more payouts this week. He's getting his fifth one. He's already set up to get his fifth payout, man, and he says he's more than likely they're gonna make him a live account now, I guess, because of
Bro,
Because
yeah,
I
it's
don't know.
consistency.
five payouts, but that was a nice discussion. They had the stream, not the stream, the podcast that you sent me. Don't know. They said that this no prop firm traders wants to go on the live account at the moment because they put so much restrictions, so much rules. They start closing your positions. So yeah, but
Mm,
that's a nice
yeah,
reward because he's been consistent. So well done.
yeah. I think he was just talking to me about that. He texted me. He said that he's not too sure, but he says that I think if he blows the account, they put you like on a break or something like that. Like
Hmm.
at least that's what he mentioned. I don't
Yeah,
think he's too sure either about it.
yeah, and
But
I
yeah.
don't think he will be able to buy any more like these funded accounts after he goes live.
Mm, well, hopefully they give you an option because to go live or
I'm
not.
not sure they give you an option. I'm not sure. I mean, depends on the prop firm, but I don't know. I was listening to some people who say they don't give you an option. They just ban you.
Wow.
Yeah, because
They
you
just wanna.
but or with top step was maximum payouts that you can get is 200k, and then you're not allowed to trade with them anymore.
Wow.
Yeah,
They want to set you up for failure, literally.
uh, yeah, it's not
You can only get two payouts and then you can't trade with them.
no 200k in
Oh,
payouts.
200K. 200K and that's it. They cap you.
Mm-hmm.
They're nerfing me, bro. They're nerfing me.
Mm.
What, it's 200K, then you have to get a live account or just 200K and that's like literally it. That's
That's it.
crazy.
That's it. No, and that's funny because after 5 payouts, you are getting invited to live accounts. So I'm not. I don't understand really the concept. But
Well, I guess they want you to go to Apex after that. And it's like, what are they? They must have like a study or something that shows after a trader makes 200K in payouts, they start to suck.
Yeah. But yeah, Carlos,
That doesn't make sense though. How would you
it doesn't make sense, but
how
it
would you
makes sense.
start doing worse after after you make that much payouts consistently? Like you have a system. Everything has to be working a
Yeah, but
certain
it
way.
makes sense for them because all these things is actually a business plan. It's nothing else, you know. So they have to make money,
Yeah,
and if
make
they
it
are paying you that much, that I mean, it doesn't add up, I guess.
I suppose so.
But Carlos, where are you at the moment with your account?
Oh man, I was at 51, a little bit past like 51 200, and then yesterday I had a day for like 800, almost 900 loss, so I
Mm.
lost almost all my gains,
Oh, okay.
and then I made 200 again, and then right now I'm at 400,
The market's
406.
choppy.
Right. So I'm roughly again like at 51 almost again. So uh, yeah, see how this turns out. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
it's
just
pretty
stick with.
choppy. I don't like the New York session lately. It's been choppy this week.
I did not like New York session at all
Yeah.
for futures. You get that move, and if you're lucky, you're gonna make some money, and then nothing. Um, I like. I actually now like this pre London and London while we are trading together because I realize there are some moves. They're much slower, but there is a move happening. So instead of three trades, I will
Hmm.
take maybe one. But then those 2 3 hours before before the New York to be done by 9 Eastern, I think for me that was the perfect or is the perfect window. And again, you have to pay attention what happened in Asia, what happened in London, and then if, I don't know, they rotate.
Yeah, right now we're building up a little steam so we can break above yesterday's high on Nasdaq, and I kind of want to see the break and retest. I want to see it break, and then I'll get in on the retest if I feel confident on it. But right now, it's like it looks like it wants to reverse back into the value range, and I'm like, this could be a great aggressive entry into the value range, but I don't know. And I don't like trading what I don't know. I already lost two trades, so probably not the best idea.
Yeah, well, what you said about this trade, so that's also something I consider. Like,
Oh, bro,
oh,
I could have went short on gold because so it went to the 1 hour. It's in a 1 hour bear flag, and it went right to the top of the flag perfectly.
mm.
Then it dropped 10 points. Uh.
Mm, I see that.
But yeah, trades like
No.
if you have a winner, good. If you have a second one is a winner, okay. Like two different strategies actually. If you start with a loss, you give yourself another chance. If the second one is loss, you have two losses in a row. You're done for today. If you have a win and a loss, you go for the third chance, right? And and that's it. Or this guy said like three net losses or three net wins, and then basically you could trade the whole day. You know, so if you have a win, then a loss, then a loss, that's only one net loss.
Mm.
But
Hey, I'm looking at gold right here, and it wicked. It wicked. Hold on, let me delete this trend line real quick. It's
Yeah,
my
it looks
way.
good. It looks good for
Uh,
shorts. Looks really good for
yeah,
shorts.
it looks like it broke. I mean, this indicator is telling me that that's the last month's low. So previous month low. So it broke it right there. It wicked into it. So previous month low is at 445.22.1 to be exact. On a go on I'm looking at MGC,
Mm.
but then it ain't close. I don't know. I I don't know how much. I mean, I don't know how much that affects it, but if it's like everything else, it should come down some more.
Yeah, it looks good for shorts. My target was 45.10.
Mm-hmm.
That's the middle of the value range, and I just wish I got in at 45.40. That would have been sweet. That would have been real sweet. Oh man, I'd
You
be up
were
in the
in
15
already,
points. I only
but
target
you
15
were
points a
in
trade.
at 44. What was your entry, first entry?
My entry was 45.30 something. 45.30. No, look, yeah, actually it was right there. 45.32, and I got stopped out with that wick, and then now it's going to my target.
No, but
I'd
before
be in
that,
profit
bro,
right
the
now.
first trade that you took that you made profit.
Oh, the first trade was a call, right? It was a loan, right? I was going long.
No, bro, first
No,
trade
I
that
was
you.
going short. You know what? You
Pardon?
know what? You're right, bro. You're right. My first trade, it went right to my entry in my first trade. So had I just stayed in that trade, I'd be fine right now.
Right? So see that's again, and we were looking at 15 and 30 minutes, and we just
Hmm.
have to learn how to give some time to for the trade to
Yeah,
play out.
see, again, I was impatient. I was impatient, and that's why it didn't work out.
See, and this kind of
Yeah.
titles comes up to me on YouTube. I made 900,000 plus in payouts in 25 days, bro, bro.
Very nice.
And
Very, very nice.
but then
You said you made 900,000. Yep.
no, not me, bro.
Nah, he's reading some YouTube type.
Oh man, what are you doing, niggas?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Damn.
What are
But
you doing trading at this? Oh well, actually, never mind. It's
bro,
not late for you.
I know it's
Hey
early.
Donovan, what time is it? 3 in the morning.
2:32, 2:40, yeah, 2:43 in
Oh
the morning.
man, what?
Where? What's
So
time
you
for
go to
you, bro?
what time? What time do you get here?
I
At
took
11.
a nap. I took a nap, bro. I usually go to bed around 3:30 because right now we're about to see the London Open in 20 minutes, and I think
Mm.
we're gonna get a increase in volume right there.
Mm.
All right, so it's probably gonna go to my 45.10 in the next 30 minutes.
What's time for you then,
I'm
Carlos?
like,
It's 11:40. I'm like 3 hours
Oh, you're
behind,
3 hours behind. Okay, okay.
or or two, something like that.
mm-hmm.
For me, it's almost 9 in the morning, so I'm good. So, like I get
Oh
up at
man,
5
that
and
was.
Donovan goes to sleep at 5.
Yeah,
Hey, that would have been a beautiful entry, man. Look at that.
Yeah.
On
I
gold.
know, bro. We'd be cooking right now.
It
That'd be
only
Bro,
has
everything
let's
I
let's
need.
make a challenge. Now I'm feeling motivated. Let's make a challenge. Let's what day is today? 21st of May. Let's make a million in the next 120 days.
Oh, man. Ah,
Four
man.
hundred. That's $400. That's
Yeah,
how much is that?
yeah,
That's like
but
$800 a day.
yeah, 400 on 20 accounts. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. That will be the next. That will be the next. The next thing. But um,